Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Ripple is doing today. So, a couple days ago, I got very excited because we had this bullish candle. And then, just like I mentioned in the last videos, that we were going to encounter a lot of resistance with this 200-day moving average. And we sure did. And then yesterday, we pulled right back where we are. So, I wouldn't do too much at this particular moment, just like I mentioned before, because I think we need to get out of this sloping channel, downward channel. Oh, by the way, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize the like button, because that's the only way we're going to reach out to 7 billion people. So, that being said, so if you haven't done, I wouldn't do anything at the moment, because I don't think risk to reward is just there. But technically you could put a position with a very tight stop below the previous low, so the 20-day moving average or so. But just remember, you got the 200-day moving average right just right next to you. So excuse me guys, so this is something that you have to keep in mind. I mean, if you blast higher, we're probably gonna blast above the 50% retracement and then a pullback, and then the next leg. That's when I will probably be looking to place a short-term position. I'm one of those long-term Ripple guys that everyone makes fun of. But the one thing I could say about this is banks like Ripple. If banks like Ripple, guess what? Then there's a possibility that this could, blast higher. So that's why I'm one of those Ripple long bulls, and I have a decent position on this very, very, very long term that I'm willing to sit for 10 years if we need to. So it's a very long term. If you're not willing to sit on that kind of money for such a long time, and then don't place the position. I don't think risk to reward is quite just there yet, at least for me. As long as we stay holding, higher above this trend line, I think we're okay. But as you see, it continues to go down, and eventually we're gonna hit the 23% retracement. If we break this, and then we're going back to 11 cents, and if we go back to 11 cents, I will be one of those that will be buying more for sure, a lot more. So right now, I wouldn't do too much about it. If we were going to break higher, like I said, if we want to break above the 50% retracement, take out this previous high, retest the 61%. Depending on how long it takes, we might be in line with this trend line, pull back to the 50, and then start moving higher again. Now, the one thing the Ripple has going on right now is Bitcoin might turn a little bit bearish for the next few days or so. And if that is the case, and if Ethereum has outperformed Bitcoin, then we might see that breakout. Until then, the other thing that I'm concerned is Ethereum been performing Bitcoin, but Ripple hasn't done too much. Every other pair, it seems like they've been rallying to an extent, and this one, or just like Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin SV, hasn't done too much. So you just have to keep those things in mind when you're doing something. So if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize the like button. Thanks again, guys.